Electronics Hints heartily welcomes you to get to know the differences between AC and DC. The magnitude of AC is changing with respect to time. The magnitude of DC is constant with respect to time. The direction of AC is changing with respect to time. The direction of DC is constant with respect to time. The AC has double polarity. The DC has single polarity. The AC has an instantaneous value. The DC does not have an instantaneous value. The AC has a RMS value. The DC does not have a RMS value. The AC has a frequency. The DC does not have a frequency. The AC has a phase angle. The DC does not have a phase angle. The efficiency of AC is low. The efficiency of DC is high. The AC biased lighting has less efficiency. The DC biased lighting has more efficiency. The AC is not compatible with renewable sources of energy such as solar and wind. The DC is compatible with renewable source of energy such as solar and wind. The AC has a phase difference. The DC does not have a phase difference. The AC has a polyphase. The DC does not have a polyphase. The AC circuit has resistance, reactance and impedance. The DC circuit has only resistance. The AC has a changing and rotating magnetic field. The DC has a constant magnetic field. The power factor of the AC is varying from 0 to 1. The power factor of the DC is constant at 1. High power is generated by the AC. Low power is generated by the DC. The active power of AC is VI cos theta watt. The active power of the DC is VI watt. The AC is transmitted with some power loss. The DC is transmitted with low power loss using HVDC. The AC has a single phase and 3 phases. The DC has only a single phase. The storage of AC is not possible. The storage of DC is possible. The AC has apparent power, reactive power and active power. The DC has only active power. Stepping up AC is easy. Stepping up DC is complicated and difficult. The AC has stepped down with low power loss. The DC has stepped down with high power loss. The AC has form factor. The DC does not have form factor. The AC generator is an alternator. The DC generators are series, shunt and compound. The AC motors are induction and synchronous and etc. The DC motors are shunt, series and compound. The AC quantity is measured by moving ion instruments. The DC quantity is measured by moving coil instruments. The AC current does not flow through the inductance. The DC current flows through the inductance. The AC voltage flows through the capacitance. The DC voltage does not flow through the capacitance. The types of AC are sinusoidal, square, triangular and etc. The types of DC are pure and pulsating. The AC is obtained from the generator. The DC is obtained from the generator, battery, solar and etc. The AC is changed to DC by using a rectifier or a converter. The DC is converted to AC by using the inverter. The AC is used in high voltage application. The DC is used in low voltage applications. The AC current shock is less dangerous. The DC current shock is more dangerous. The AC is used in electrical circuits, equipment and machines. The DC is used in electronic circuits, equipment and machines. Electrons are moving forward and reverse directions in AC. Electrons are moving only forward direction. The load of the AC is resistive, inductive or capacitive. The load of the DC is only resistive. The AC is adjusted easily using the transformer. The adjustment of DC is complicated. The AC motor generates higher torque. The DC motor generates lower torque. The AC equipment consumes more power. The DC equipment consumes low power. The symbol and waveform of AC and DC are shown here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Receive more electronics information. Kindly suggest your valuable feedback to improve the forthcoming videos. Thank you. Electronics Hints.